back to ORG New Update, where you get the latest, most accurate, and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most important luxury electric SUVs of the future, the 2026 BMW iX. This new model pushes BMW's EV technology even further, bringing a refreshed look, sharper performance, and an interior that feels like it's been lifted straight from a high-end futuristic lounge. Let's start with the exterior design because BMW has definitely taken a bold step forward. The front grille keeps the signature iX style, but the 2026 model brings a new, locked-in, more refined pattern with a cleaner finish and slimmer LED laser headlights. These lights are sharper, more powerful, and give the iX a very confident presence on the road. The bumper is redesigned with aerodynamic channels that help reduce drag, making the SUV not only look sportier, but also more efficient to drive. From the side, the smooth surfacing and flush door handles give it a modern, minimal appearance, while the large wheels, available up to 22 inches, show off BMW's signature electric styling. At the rear, BMW has added sleeker taillights and a more muscular stance, making the iX look both futuristic and strong. Now moving to the interior, which is easily one of the biggest highlights of the 2026 BMW iX. The moment you step inside, the cabin feels extremely premium and high-tech. BMW has updated the seats with a new structure lock comfort design, giving better support while staying lightweight. The materials include recycled leather alternatives, sustainable fabrics, and metallic trim that looks elegant without being too flashy. The curved panoramic display stretches across the dashboard with the latest BMW iDrive system, featuring improved animations, faster responses, and new AI-powered features that learn your driving habits. The Crystal Smile control dial remains, but now it's illuminated with ambient light matching the color scheme of your chosen interior mood. The steering wheel's also been redesigned with a flatter top and bottom for better visibility and a futuristic feel. Sound insulation has been improved, making the cabin quieter even at higher speeds. The panoramic skyroof now comes with electrochromic dimming, allowing you to switch from transparent to frosted with a single touch. Whether you're sitting in the front or the back, the 2026 iX delivers a luxurious, modern experience that matches its premium status. Under the hood, or in this case, under the floor, BMW has upgraded the electric motors and battery technology. The 2026 iX offers improved range, expected to be around 350 to 380 miles, depending on the variant. Power output ranges from strong to extremely exciting, with the top model delivering over 600 horsepower. Acceleration is instant, smooth, and almost silent, giving that signature EV performance feel. The suspension has been retuned for a more comfortable ride without losing the sporty character BMW is known for. Charging speeds have also improved. With fast charging, you can get from 10% to around 80% in roughly 30 minutes, making long-distance travel easier and more convenient. BMW's updated thermal management system helps maintain battery health even during extended drives. As for the price, the 2026 BMW iX is expected to start around $90,000, 0 cents for the base model, and go up to around $120,000, 0 cents for the higher performance versions. Considering the luxury, technology, and performance you get, it continues to hold strong value in the premium EV SUV market. And that wraps up today's detailed review of the 2026 BMW iX. Again, if you enjoy premium car reviews, make sure to subscribe to ORG New Update for more amazing automotive content. Let me know in the comments what car you want me to review next.